Hey guitar players, welcome back to Easy Guitar Practice. As usual, we're going to go ahead and review this exercise before I break it down. Now we have 3 previous videos from earlier in this week where we're breaking down other aspects that are important inside of playing dirty pool. So I'd go ahead and suggest that you watch those videos because all I'm going to be doing inside of this video is breaking down the specific notes that we're playing in this exercise. The rest is all about feeling it out, going slow enough to make sure you're executing it really well. And with that, I'll go ahead and jump in. We're starting with the low E string. We're going 3 and then 6. Then we're going to the A string. We're going 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to the D string. We're going 3 and then 5. Then we're playing the top 3 strings, G, B, and the high E string. And we're going 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. That's that whole, And then we finish on 5 of the D string, and then we're hammering from 4 to 5 on the A string, and then we're finishing on 3 of the D string. And then you'll basically just rinse and repeat. So have fun, feel it out, take your time, and we'll see you next time.